for northwestern Chester County, upstate South Carolina, central Union County in upstate South Carolina until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 5 miles southeast of Union, or near Monroe Road, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gust and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Chester State Park, Leeds, Wilmot Creek, Carlisle, Suffolk, Chester, Rosehill State Park, Lockhart, Sedalia, and McConnells. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-877-633 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag WSGSP.
Chester Town.
Describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in South Carolina: Chester, Union, and York.
Yeah.